Tecno has dropped another budget phone, but not so basic. Beautiful design, great battery, all those specs on paper. How does it perform in real life? Well, this video is going to give you my hands-on experience with this device and let you know if spending 142,700 is worth your money. This is Shaman and this is my review of the Tecno Spark 40. Unboxing the phone comes with a 45-watt charger, a USB-C cable, pair of earphones, SIM ejector tool, and a TPU case. The phone is sweet, it looks really nice and slim, but one thing it will be noted for is being the exact replica of the iPhone 17 Pro, whose prototype has been out for a while now. On the right side of the phone, it has a volume rocker, and then it has a power button just below the volume rocker. And the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone. And to be honest, it's quite responsive. On the left side, you have the SIM tray, which allows you to use 2 nano SIMs and the option for memory expansion. On the top and the bottom of the phone, you have 2 speakers for audio. And I probably will just let you be the judge of this. How does the audio sound? Take a listen. At the bottom of the phone, there is a 3.5mm jack for your traditional earpiece, which comes with the phone, and a USB-C for charging. At the back of the phone, you have the Tecno Spark label at the bottom of the phone, and you have 3 camera rings, although just one of them is a camera. It comes in 4 colors. I personally am using the ink black, but it also comes in veil white, titanium gray, and mirage blue. But tell me, of these colors, which one do you really like? It is also rated IP64, so it means it is dust tight and gives you protection from splashes of water. Please do not swim with this phone or immerse this phone in water. It's not built to survive that much. With 120Hz refresh rate on a 6.67-inch HD Plus IPS LCD, scrolling is smooth, albeit the occasional delay in responsiveness, but that's expected in a device at this price. But to me, it's not a deal breaker. It's plenty bright at 800 nits, so you can casually use the phone out in bright sunlight. You can also set your refresh rate to suit your needs, so you can either set it to standard, which is 60Hz, or high, which is 120Hz, or allow the phone decide what refresh rate it wants to use for you. Color reproduction on this phone is quite nice, so you're going to enjoy watching movies on it as well as surfing the internet and using social media. Don't forget playing games too. Surprisingly, this has always on, and always on display is not a feature that comes with LCDs. In addition, you can use AI to spice up your wallpapers, either by using words to describe those wallpapers that you want or using sample photos. The MediaTek Helio G81 is a gaming-focused processor according to MediaTek, but it's not to be used for long hours. It's not even a gaming device, so I would not advise you to use this as a strictly gaming device. I tried some titles on it. I tried Call of Duty on medium graphics, and surprisingly it played well. I didn't notice any glitching or hanging of any sort. Yes, you could play games occasionally, but don't let it be your main focus. As usual, Candy Crush and all those other kind of games will play perfectly well with no issues. General day-to-day usage is fine. It handles social media applications very well. The device I'm using comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. You have the option for a 2 gig memory expansion. Android 15 comes installed with this device, and yes, it comes with those good features like having a separate panel for your quick settings and your notifications by scrolling down from the top left or the top right corner of your screen, as well as activating Google Gemini from the bottom left or right of your screen as well. I've always said this thing before, there's one thing that I really hate about smartphones, and that is smartphones that come with bloatware. Now, this phone comes with quite a handful of bloatware. I mean, it's not a serious thing. I can always uninstall these, but that hassle of having to uninstall is just a problem. Why not just remove them? Battery performance is great on this phone. I mean, it has an all-day battery guaranteed. You will not have any issues taking your phone out for the entire day. Now, coupled with the fact that it has a 45-watt charger that comes with it, you can literally charge your phone from 0 to 100 in just a little over 1 hour. Extra features like using AI-powered solutions to determine how well or how fast your phone charges. Now, you can either allow the phone do that or you customize it to your own settings. At the back of the phone is a 50 megapixel main camera, and at the front of the phone you have an 8 megapixel camera for selfies. For the videos, both cameras offer 2K resolution shooting at 30 frames per second. Pictures taken in good lighting are good, color reproduction is nice, dynamic range is okay, shadows are there, highlights are there. I offered a few sample pictures on this video, so let me know what your thoughts are on the quality of the pictures. I'm also going to post some video samples with their audio quality, and you can also tell me what you think about this. If it's for casual posting on social media, it's generally acceptable. Not bad, but not great. For the video quality is where things get a little sketchy. It still tries to maintain its color reproduction but struggles with exposure. Details are softened out and doesn't appear to have any form of stabilization. Freelink is that one extra that allows you make calls or send messages free with or without internet. A caveat is the other user must be around and must also have Freelink on their device. But it's a cool feature. Another extra will be Tecno's AI, but that's already coming with most of their devices these days. So you have Ella Voice, document and writing assistants, as well as AI wallpaper generators. This can help simplify life for users by solving life problems or providing solutions to general problems. This is generally a good phone. Tecno has really set the bar when it comes to entry-level devices. Coupled with the fact that this has a 45-watt charging, which is technically the fastest at this price point. And then you also have a 5200 milliamp battery, which is huge and performs exceedingly well. Great design, even if I don't like the fact that it looks like, but let's leave it at that. Let me know what your thoughts are about this phone in the comment section below. Don't forget to drop a like, share this video, as this would help the video to reach a wider audience. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this on my channel. My name is Shaman, and see you in my next video.